Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the tub-to-pump hose in this Whirlpool top-load washer, you will need channel lock pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord and shut off the incoming water supply. Unthread the hot and cold water supply hoses from the inlet valve ports. Be prepared for some water to spill. Use the channel lock pliers to release the spring clamp so you can detach the drain hose from the outlet port. Now have an assistant help you to move the washer away from the wall and tip the appliance back so its rear panel rests on a towel or blanket. You can now use the channel lock pliers to release the spring clamp securing the hose to the outer tub and drain pump. Then remove the old hose. To prepare the new tub-to-pump hose for installation, transfer the spring clamps from the old hose to the new one. Now attach the curved end of the new hose to the port on the outer tub and secure it with the clamp. Do the same to secure the opposite end of the hose to the port on the drain pump. Return the washer to its upright position and move the appliance back against the wall. Reattach the drain hose to the outlet port, securing it with the clamp. Attach the hot and cold water supply hoses to the appropriate inlet valve ports. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the washer should be ready for use.